Yippee time!
Thank you for the cookies. You gonna eat it now? Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Do you like it?
Yes.
Go, eat.
Num.
Who's that?
Buzz.
Who?
Buzz.
Oh, what's that? It's a big...
Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas.
Ang bilis naman napagod ni Lolo. Are you having fun? Oh my goodness. After working out, this is what I see. These are from Delicacy Food Market. This looks so delicious. I don't know exactly what it is, but it looks like shrimp rolls or shrimp buns. Here we have shrimps with a sauce. Parang, I feel like it's Cajun. And then we have baked scallops. Scallops are so big. And something my husband will love. Lobsters! Look at that. Thank you so much, Delicacy Food Market.